What's going on with the Bitcoin price? Well, we do have a pump. I've seen a pump like that a couple of months ago. Did you? I think you did. Exactly, but with the bigger time frame, identical. It's identical. Wow. Wow. And what happened next? We reached the new all-time high, 68,000, and capitulation, a bear market. Is it going to happen again? Well, look at the EMA, look at the 100 moving average. Bitcoin usually wants to meet or bounce from it, 100 moving average. We already bounced from it and on the daily nicely, and we'll continue to fly. On the weekly, we do have a golden cross, and it is beautiful. On the weekly, on the free day, free day, see? Free day moving average, that's also very important. We bounce from it once, golden cross, bounce from it, and I think we're going to bounce again. And I think we're going down to, okay, where's it, my camera? 38,000, I think. There is a possibility then it's going to happen. So a little bit higher, maybe even 50,000, and then capitulation, then going back to 37, and maybe nice double bottom. Yeah, and then explosion. What do you think? Is this going to happen? Or am I mistaken? And then to 100,000. Maybe, just maybe. Okay, let's continue to a BNB, my friend. And with the BNB, we do have a very nice launch pool. Yeah, there. Come on, quick. What's going on with my browser? We do have a Pixel social web free game build running network. If you're staking FDUSD or BNB, it's better to have a BNB. It's more profitable with staking. Then you're earning that token. And I'm usually selling those tokens to a BNB. So I'm gathering more and more BNB. Yeah? I already stake like tons of them. Those launch pools, those are not launch pads, or launch pools. It's like 10 already, or something like that. So many launch pools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there was more. 6, 7. Yeah, I was participating in all of them, and yeah, just make more BNB for it. That's cool. And I think AI token, which was on the launch pool. I don't know why browser is so slow. I think this one has a huge potential, and I think this one will explode. Could be wrong. Bear in mind, this video is not the financial advice. This video is just for entertainment only. Do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money on the market. Now, with that said, let's continue. Look at that. Look at that beautiful AI token. I think we're going to have explosion really soon. Up or down, because it's going sideways for a very long time. And if the Bitcoin continue to fly, I think this will explode hard very quickly. I know NEO is the old altcoin. No one cares about the NEO. But look what's going on with the NEO. Look at the trend, if you believe such a things, like a trend. Look at that double bottom. Damn! This is from 2018 double bottom. If this is going to explode, if we're going to see explosion from that double bottom, then this could go all the way to 200, maybe even higher. That's 20x. And on the FEMEX, there's a native token for FEMEX exchange, which is I think it's a very good exchange. And I think in the next alt season, the native token will give us a very, very nice return. Bear in mind, most of the native tokens are going sideways for at least a year. BNB, all kinds of native token. They all going for sideways for a very long time. This one is going for at least, okay, not too long, a couple of months, but if the Bitcoin continue to fly, I think we could see a very nice return on this one. FEMEX is 74 cents, but if the Bitcoin dive, then we could see even 60 cents on this one. For comparison, which was going sideways, like I said, going sideways for a very long time, and it doesn't matter where you buy in this region, all the way from 2018 to 2020, it doesn't matter what it was. At the moment, you are rich. Look at that. Look at that. And I think this could happen also to FMX, but we'll have to wait. This could be a first alt season, and then the second will be insane. It's still, wow, it's performing better than BNB. That is insane. Yeah, double bottom like in the Bitcoin. Let me show you a Bitcoin and the double bottom. You see? First bottom and second bottom. Double bottom. And similar stuff is going on with NEO at the moment. My friend. A little less curved, more flat, but still. I still have a XN token. I still have a little bit to claim. And I didn't sell, well, none of them. I'm still holding. Whole bag. My strategy is to wait until the alt season came. XN never had an alt season before. So maybe a pump to, well, 300 to 500 would be very nice. I don't think we are going back to those regions like 800. I don't think so. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. But still, 300, 500, that is very nice return. 10x from today's price will be a very, very nice return. And after that, I'm out completely. Some say in 8 years this will be deflationary. No one cares about this token anymore. And in 8 years, no one will even remember. Do you remember Bitcoin Gold? It was also a fantastic token. Bitcoin Cash is still around, but Bitcoin Gold, it's gone. And there were so many tokens. 8 years is a very long time. And this one, I think the next next bear market, 2015, 16, will completely destroy this one. And that flat. And I think that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. I could be wrong. I'm just an idiot from the internet. Could be.